Hi guys, it's me, and it is Ipsy Xbox review time. I was so excited yesterday whenever I seen this on my doorstep, um, and oh, it is a letdown. This is like the third time that I'm filming this video because last night I got my initial video out, but I didn't realize whenever I put it out that I just messed up, so I had to take it down. So I'm trying again for like the fifth time. I just can't seem to get it right. I like to do this, just without scripting or but I'm gonna have to hurry because I have to go to work. So let's just go ahead and jump into the X and what we think of it. The curator was Bailey Sarian. I'm not exactly sure how to say her name. I know she's beloved. And whenever I put out on my social media that that is who is going to be the curator, I've seen a lot of people get really excited over her and the choices. And what I'm really let down with was the choices that I got were horrible. They weren't what they advertised. And they even, in what they sent, they even have the stuff that they said was going to be a part of choices, but it wasn't. It wasn't in my choices. So you guys let me know. Did you guys get like Truly Beauty, Drunk Elephant, the rehab hair things? Um, I didn't get any of that in my choices, and trust me, I'm a huge Truly Beauty fan. I would have known if Truly was in there. I was looking hard. And I'm still looking because they're still sending emails about drop shop and all that stuff. And okay, so I'm a little upset, but here's what I did get. And so for 64, I think is what it is altogether. That's a pretty cool bag. I remember I chose this and I think that it's pretty cool. Also chose this item because I love balms. Right now, I've been using the Keys balm, and it is wonderful. I use the Keys balm, Truly Beauty, vegan collagen face wash, and Charlotte Tilbury that oil to wash my face at night. And between the oil and the balm, the Keys balm, it really breaks up my makeup. And then I use the Truly to wash it off, and it is a wonderful, wonderful trio. So, okay, so next we have Miss Pat McGrath, and you know that it's Pat because these bags and the it's not I don't not it's not glitter, but she puts these things in her her packaging, and I love it. It's just something that makes her stand out. And Pat McGrath is wonderful. I cannot wait to open those and try them. I really wanted to open this stuff this morning and try it because I wanted to do a review today, but it's all right. We'll do it tonight. Next we have Grown Alchemist. This is a pretty boring box. The Biology of Beautiful Skin. Scan to discover the alchemy of this product. Oh, so there's a little teeny tiny. I don't know if that would actually scan. We'll test that out and see. But I love that packaging. I love that black. That looks like something that I would actually be at my work in the paint section. All right. Next we have Glow Recipe. This is Watermelon Glow Pink Dream Body Cream. I know that Glow Recipe is a great company and a lot of people rave about them, but I'm going to stick with my Truly stuff. Now, I will give this credit because that is huge. And I don't know, I might try it, but more than likely I'll give this away because I don't really like lotions that much. I don't like the feel of lotion. I just don't. I don't have dry skin, so I don't really need it. Okay, next is This Works Evening Detox Clay Mask. Filler item. Okay, now this was my beauty boost. And they gave, like, the last couple of months, the beauty boost has been just given to you. There was Kate Berkey or Kat Berkey face cream, and can't remember what last month's was. So this month they actually gave you a choice, and I like that. Good on Ipsy for that, because you're paying 15 extra dollars, which makes that this bag is like over almost 80 bucks. We're getting into some pretty steep pricing here. And yeah. Okay, so last but not least is this Scott Barnes sculpting and contouring palette. Love this packaging. Love this. There's the colors, and the colors are gorgeous. I hope that you can see them. And I would like to thank my Valentine, Chris, for buying me a light. See it there? For Valentine's Day. You got to have a light. You got to be able to, especially if you're doing beauty and skincare, you got to be able to see the colors. So I'm hoping, okay, that you can see the colors. They are absolutely wonderful. And later I'll swatch, but it's chiseled, sculpt, frame, carve, shade, diced, sliced, and snatched. I love that. And it's the palette itself is called Snatch That Face. So I love that. So that was probably my favorite item. And really, after getting about a bazillion palettes, for this to be my favorite, that's kind of crazy. Well, I don't know, that and the Pat McGrath. But you can get this off of Pat McGrath's website for like 15 bucks, and you could probably go to Macari or Poshmark and get it for like 12 bucks. I don't know. I should maybe check that, but I'm pretty sure. So I'm excited to open this and try it. So that was like my second favorite. And like the bag was pretty great. But I don't know. I don't really honestly carry bags around that much. I don't travel that much. I don't know. Maybe I'll start carrying this. Who knows? Okay, so I'm done. I've got to get to work. Please. My light just went on. Okay, so please. Wow, that light makes a real big difference. I don't know what went off. Oh. Okay, so like, subscribe, comment. I'm not making this over. Um, please, if you're gonna come and watch, if you're my friend, or please like it, subscribe to it, and to my subscribers that have subscribed, thank you. And whenever I get to certain levels, I will start doing giveaways. I absolutely have the stuff to do giveaways. So whenever we reach, I think I've already said 200 people, uh, and that's subscribers. So the most watched video I had was Chick, and um, I will be getting Chick sometime soon because I just got my choices done. So that's something to look forward to. But as I was saying, like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff for me, or dislike it because it gets attention too. But comment and let me know what you think. I want to know what you think of Ipsy and Boxy, and what ones are you letting go of? What ones are you keeping? Do you even subscribe to any of this stuff? What do you want to see me review? Because I can let this stuff go and just start reviewing, things that, like, I just ordered. Um, what did I order from Sephora? I can't remember, and I'm not doing this over. So, but one thing that I can say really quickly is Kylie Cosmetics. Oh, it was a Charlotte Tilbury eye uh, liner. Okay, so Kylie Cosmetics, I got the lipstick, and I had been not even trying to try it, but I tried it and I've never had a lipstick stay on for hours. I've never won over like 45 minutes. So this actually lasts like at least 4 or 5 hours. So I'm kind of blown away with the Kylie lip kit. And that's really not something that I ever thought that I would enjoy. So, all right. You guys have a wonderful day. I'm going to go to work and see you next time. Like, subscribe, comment, please.